Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, so today will be a very special video for my beauties because I have a surprise. Okay, ready? Ta-da! If you don't know about this, you're gonna want to stick around and find out. A fabulous, beautiful Afina's A01 shower head, y'all, right here, front and center in real color. So guys, Afina was nice enough to send this to me to try out and review their actual products. So I am honored to do it, and of course you guys know I'm going to give you my honest opinion on it, but they have great reviews, so I'm looking forward to using this product. I've always wanted to try some type of filtered system, but you know how expensive and costly that is to get your home and your shower and your water that you drink all in the filtration system. But this right here is like an answered prayer because it's all kind of toxins and chemicals and heavy metals that's in our water, y'all. And to have good clean water, especially showering, like, is a dream come true. I'm just so excited to try out this shower head. It's supposed to get all those heavy metals and chemicals and chlorine, everything that we don't need for our bodies, our skin, nor our hair. You know, this actually is the resolution to it. So I can't wait to report to y'all my thoughts on it. And hopefully you guys will be willing to try it out yourself. And if so, the link is in the description and on the screen, I'm sure. I had to get my handy dandy box cutter so I can open it gracefully. So I don't want to tear up this pretty box that they fit it in. Okay, so here goes. Here we go. Afina. Okay. Oh, it says hello. Let's see what they got for me. 5-minute install. So it's supposed to be an easy install. 5-minute install guide. So that lets me know that it's easy. So no plumber needed. All right, so we'll see how easy this is, y'all. We'll see. And that is so nice. They give me a little coupon for whenever I do make a purchase. It'll be $50 off. Hey. Okay. So, and I like how they have everything in an envelope and like a special note. Thank you for choosing to bring us into your home and trusting us to bring you a healthier shower experience. We are thrilled to be a part of your journey towards healthier hair, skin, and overall well-being. And it goes on and on and on. But this is so sweet. Very sweet. Okay. On to business. Guys, look how pretty this is. The actual shower head in living color. Look at the chrome, y'all. Look at the bling bling chrome. I love chrome. So they have other options. They have other colors that you can get, but chrome is my thing. I love chrome. Look at that. So this is the little small miniature nozzles where the water will come out, and I'm sure the filter is within here somewhere already attached, so I'm not gonna bother with it. Oh, I don't want my fingerprints on it, but y'all look, isn't this nice? So here it is, Afina's A01 shower head, and it's given luxury. Like, I am vibing with this, and I can't wait to connect it, to try it out, to let y'all know my thoughts and what I think, and hopefully we'll be closer to healthier, shinier hair and healthier skin. So I am closer to healthier water, free from harmful chemicals, the free radicals, the chlorine, the heavy metals, all that stuff will be filtered through this new shower head that I have. So I am so grateful and excited for Afina for sending this to your girl so I can try it out and review it and then pass it on to you guys. And please know that if you do decide to purchase, if interested, you will get a special discount. Link in the description. So Afina was nice enough to give me my own personal link to give to you guys, my beauties, so that if you should purchase this shower head, you will have access to it at a really good cost, a great discount. So make sure you use my link, which is www.afina.com/beauty, so you can get that special discount that they have waiting for you. So www.afina.com/beauty, in case you're interested in purchasing your very own healthier hair, healthier skin, A01 shower head. You guys should give it a try. Make sure you use my link so you can have access to a special discount. And my link is www.afina.com/beauty. Get that discount. Love the fact that this shower head is wide. It's wide. It's actually wider than my current shower head. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison once I remove my old shower head and compare it with this shower head, and y'all be able to see the difference. So I'm just ready for this experience. I'm ready for this experience, y'all. I'm ready to have more water coverage. And I can't wait to, of course, take a shower, and I can't wait to wash my hair with this shower head, especially since I'm no longer using the hard water that's coming through, but it would be more of a softer water experience. I can't wait for that. Yeah. OMG. Wow. Yes. Wow. So much better. Look at the stretch. Yes, Andy. I cannot wait to take a shower. I cannot wait, y'all. Look at that. Yes. Look at that. So much wider. The coverage is awesome, guys. I can't wait to shower, and I can't wait to wash my hair. Oh my god, amazing. I'm excited. I must say that the Afina A01 shower head has certainly officially upgraded my showers and wash days to be longer, more relaxing, and so satisfying. I am so grateful for this collaboration with Afina. My twists are looking shiny, healthy, and poppin'. And in true busy natural girl fashion, I slapped on some leave-in conditioner, did a few quick twists, and threw on a cap, and was headed out to run some errands. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.